Hello people, today we are going to see maths operations in Python. As always, we will be using PyCharm. Let's create a variable. You can name it whatever you want, and assign it a float value so we could see what maths operations we can perform on it. If we use the round method, it rounds our float number according to the rules in maths, which is rounding up if the number after the decimal is greater than 5, and round down if the number is less than or equal to 5. There is also an absolute value operator which prints out positive number. Even if used on negative numbers, it turns the positive. The maths library gives us access to many more maths operations to use. If we see some examples, when we use maths ceiling, it rounds up to the next number. When we use floor, it rounds down. We could also use the square root function. As you know, it gives us the square root of the number inside the bracket. There are many others like log and so on. Thanks for watching.